Hi, it's Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to our Adding Value to Your Home series of videos. So we absolutely knew that we had to do a few things to get this home ready for sale. The question is, where do you start and where do you stop? So right now, the owners have put in a couple of walls, they've painted the inside of the home and the outside, and they've replaced all of the lighting. It's given it a fresh and vibrant feel already. My next recommendations for the owners to consider are polishing or staining the floors so there's a consistent colour throughout the whole home, converting the back storeroom into an office that gives it an extra living dimension, and with, on the back of COVID, a work from home environment, and lastly, improving the street appeal by looking at the gardens and giving it a nice little lift there. I'm really looking forward to seeing what the owners do over the next 2 weeks. I'm certain they've already added more value than what they've spent, and this home is going to sell a lot quicker given the extra effort they've put into preparing the home for sale and adding a great deal of value.